Do not be that person saying, oh, I'm not gonna sleep with that. Oh, that is not sexy. Snoring is not sexy either. Indeed, I think CPAP is way, way sexier than snoring, choking, kicking, and gasping all night, if you ask me. And that goes for the ladies too. If you put effort, if you understand how important this is, if you understand that you are investment into your health in the short, medium, and long term, if you can improve the way you feel during the day, your alertness, perhaps you can save yourself from an accident, from drowsy driving. If you put all these things into perspective, most patients should be able to adjust to CPAP for the long run. I'm not saying that is easy. Everybody will go through an adaptation process. And unfortunately, some patients, regardless of wanting to use CPAP, reading about it, learning, being coached, perhaps CPAP is not for them, and we have some other treatments for those patients. Just be open to their CPAP. CPAP saves lives.